Hello everyone, and thank you for joining this breakout session. My name is Rita Carone. I'm a technical marketing specialist at BricsCAD. As many of you know, BricsCAD Pro already includes a powerful civil toolset designed to support surveyors and engineers in managing point data, surface, alignment, and more. With the release of BricsCAD V26, we are making this toolset even smarter by introducing a brand new feature called auto mapping. Auto mapping helps you to take control of your survey points by automatically applying the correct style, layers, and label based on the point description. This means less manual editing, fewer mistakes, and a much faster workflow when handling large datasets. In today's session, I will show you how auto mapping works inside BricsCAD and how it can transform the way you manage and present your point data. Let's jump in and see it in action. In this demo, I'm starting with a drawing that has already a background map, so we are ready to bring in some real-world data. Our surveyors have been on site surveying and exporting data to a CSV file. Let's drop that in. Our CSV file has, other than the coordinates and level, of course, the point code, and in some cases, different attributes. As you can see, all the points are imported using the default setting, so they just appear as a generic point. But in this template, we already have symbol styles and label styles defined for different codes. But don't worry, I'll recap those in a moment. Now, by creating a new auto mapping setting, we can take all the points we imported and populate the codes. This displays all the unique codes on the left. From here, we can assign the appropriate symbol style, label style, and layer to each code. Once this process is completed for all the codes, we can simply apply the auto mapping. And in just a matter of seconds, the drawing is transformed from an anonymous point into a fully customized dataset with the right style and layers applied automatically. Before we move down, let's quickly revise the setting. As a reminder, labels can include all the information you need. In this example, for control points, I choose to display the easting, northing, and elevation along with the point description. But let's have a look at some additional setting we can use with auto mapping. If the correct attributes are assigned in the field, we can also add a scale to the entity. A good example is the tree spread. The command automatically recognizes the attribute and adjusts the scale accordingly. Another example is the rotation. By adding an angle attribute, the manual will be displayed parallel to the street, giving our drawing a more realistic appearance. With all the entities displayed using the right symbols and labels, our drawing will not only look more realistic, we can also standardize the output across the company, minimizing repetitive work and simplifying the overall procedure. So just to recap the key benefits of using auto mapping in BricsCAD Civil Tools. All your points follow the same rules automatically, no matter how big your dataset is. You save valuable times by removing repetitive manual assignments. You can easily adjust styles and layers by modifying the auto mapping set without starting from scratch. This works whether you have a few hundreds of points or hundreds of thousands. Make it ideal for both small survey jobs and large civil projects. With auto mapping, you get a workflow that is faster, smarter, and far more reliable. And that's it for this breakout. If you liked what you saw here, make sure to check out the other breakout session. We've got plenty more tips, tricks, and time savers waiting for you. And of course, the best way to really understand the benefits is try it yourself. Download BricsCAD, test out the civil toolset, and experience AutoMap in action on your own projects.